Hi everybody, it is Saturday, March 26th. In this video, we're going to pick up where we left off yesterday. In this series, we did the harmonics video, then we did the periodicity video. We defined that in time. You can see the definition of periodicity on the screen right now. And then, as I mentioned yesterday, we're going to take a look at how these numbers when converted to the price axis can help us to identify some good trading setups. So let's scroll to the chart and take a look at how that forms. Before we get to the price, I'm going to throw this chart of the time measurements up as a reminder. If you saw the video yesterday, our 5 projections gave us these 5 time points marked by the vertical line. What we're going to look at in particular is this last point here that came into this low on 4/2/2018. This is really important. This is a great example of how these numbers align and allow you to make a prediction in price and time, just as WD Gann had done. So this is an important point. Now we did the time measurement yesterday, so refer to that video for that. Now we're going to move into the price element of this. So here it is, the last page and the last chart of the article. I'm just going to read it word for word. In order to incorporate the number 1431 into price, and remember that 1431 was our harmonic convergence of 3 key numbers, one of them being number 27, which we were calling our root harmonic. Now, since 1431 is a large number and it's too large to apply to the price scale because we're only trading in the 250 to 400 area here, we've got to float the decimal, and we're going to make 1431 143.1, and that will fit the stack better. So measuring from the major high at the first hit of the 1431 on the chart, which is this one right here, this was our first projection, and that's a major high. So you can see I've got a price counter on there, and what we're looking at is to find out where $143.10 from that high projects down to, and that projects to this low where I have this horizontal line. That is the low of our projection right here. The actual move was 145.01, and we were looking for 143.1. This was a 6.5 month move. We were looking for 143.1, so we were off by $1.91. So being off by $1.91, look what we got here though. We got 4 consecutive up days, and we made a significant move of $65 in the Tesla stack in 4 days. So we were trading there around 245 or so, whatever that number was, and it went up to about 310 or whatever. So as you can imagine, after this extended down move, you can imagine how cheap the call options were on this day. Now this is something that can be done, it can be used. You can use just this one number off of all these highs and lows and run these projections out. And where you get your price and time convergence, you're going to get reversals and trades like this. I'm giving you very valuable information here in these last 3 videos. I strongly suggest that you look deeper into this. This is going to give you a massive trading advantage. Okay, I'm going to close it out there and leave it there. That's it for today. We'll be back again with another video on Sunday.